Alright people, trying to get the wife a new fridge here. This is what I'm dealing with here. This top is too narrow. Fits perfect down there, but then it comes up here and it's too narrow up here. So for me to make some space, I have to take off the top piece. And now I need to take off this piece. So all those pieces that I already took off. You see all the bugs, all the wasp nests. Those wasp nests like to build their nest under here. And that would be over here on this side if it was still hooked up together. So that's a long piece on the top. That's that piece that's right there. And then the other long piece is the long piece that goes on the side here. And then there's a short piece also in the middle piece right here, just like this one. I've already taken those off. This is how many screws I've taken out to take that much off. And I still have to take off this piece because I have to take out all the screws out of these because these is holding this piece. And this piece is one long piece from here to there. So I can get the space that I need. Hopefully is enough space that I need for right here. So it was hanging over, the top was hanging over about here. And so I need all this space. And I don't even know if it'll still be enough. And my dog just ran out and I see what he's going after here. Let's see if we can see him in the woods. How good is this camera? The monsters. You're in the way, so. Taking out as much screws as I can see. Remember, this bucket was empty. Now look at it. That's a lot of screws just to get to this point. And now I think I see some regular nails holding it, so I'm gonna have to use the hammer. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's hammer time. Hammer time, hammer time. It's hammer time, hammer time. Oh, the screws out. I gotta get the nails out now. Let's see if I can get it out. Baby. Good. Now, screws going on the other side. Let's see. My new fridge, guys. That's not good. Nice and easy like that. Shh. Don't tell me. We didn't see that, okay? We're gonna have to cut that out. Uh-oh. Oh. That's victory. All right. Now let's see. What do you got away? Oh boy. I don't know, guys. Crap. That's gonna be tight. That's gonna be tight. It's gonna work. I'm gonna be in trouble. Oof. It's saying like 32, and the fridge is 33. So what does that mean? What does that mean? That means it's not big enough still. Okay. All right. Boy, oh boy. All right, guys. A little bit of update. I just found out that I may have to take off the refrigerator doors to fit it in, because those doors are really thick, and it's recommended that the professionals, if the professionals came, they would take off the doors to fit it up your narrow doors, because your doors are so narrow. Yeah, so they could fit it in there, and then they'll put the doors back on. Since I'm not a professional, I didn't hire professionals, I'm gonna have to do it myself. Try to be my own professional, right? DIY right here, buddy. So it says I have to take off the top here, disconnect some stuff and some wires and some stuff, and move some stuff just so I can get to the door. And that's how I got to do it. Now it looks like it wants to start to rain here, which is not good for me, because I don't want no electrical stuff exposed to the rain. So wish me luck. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm watching the videos, and it says that this, you need 2 or more people to do this by myself right now. So there's that. I've already moved this out the way, and I've already disconnected the wires and taken off the lock from that fridge. So this is the only lock left on this side. My issue now, okay. So I have to disconnect the water from back here before I can, and then that would be the last before I do this here. Okay. There's that. And that's it. All we gotta do now is lift off the door, put it carefully aside. Now, everything disconnected. All right. I think at this point now we need 2 more people. So I'm gonna wait till I get some help. Ugh. Alright, well, I went ahead and against my own advice. I got this door by myself. Let's bring it inside by myself. Excuse you. Watch it, buddy. I smash your toes. Go pause. Okay, that's one piece. Excuse you. Talk to my dogs. What's up? You guys know who I'm talking to. Okay. All right. Okay, I got the doors inside. That's something, right, guys? Okay, just gotta get the rest of the fridge inside. Hee hee hee. Oh my gosh, I never record anything good. So I had the uncle come, and just me and him, wrestled that bad boy all the way up these stairs. Turned this tight corner here. Got it in through my French door, and barely got it right there. So that's where it's sitting right now. I gotta clean out the old fridge, get it out the way so we can move that in, and then I put the doors back on and all that good stuff. So here we are, and then I have to come back out and fix back my railing, all my pieces that I have to put back, all those pieces with new nails because I'm not using these rusty nails. Look at this. It's over 2 pounds of nails there, guarantee. At least we got it up the stairs. Whew. Yeah. You need to look on there. Tell me on the hole.
Oh, sorry. I went a little bit to your back towards me. A little bit to your right. Go a little bit towards me. Go like back. Right up. Yeah, yeah, put down. You lift it up. Actually, move. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
One more. You got that? Thank you, sir. Doors are on. Okay, recording. You first. this wire? Is this the one? Yeah. What am I connected? Got it? No, one side is. Got one more side. Top back on. Woo. Excuse you, please. You missed the last piece. Make sure the doors don't fall off. Ooh. I think I did right. Now to check it when I plug it in and see if the lights come on. Yeah. People, answer me this. So this is the thing that was advertised in here, right? So I have to rip this out, all right? Now look at this. Tell me why is this so, I mean, it's glued in there. It's glued in on there. Are you serious? It is glued. Why? Why? Jeez. Thanks, guy. People who put those stickers on there, makes a lot of sense. Very convenient for your customers. Oh yeah. P.S. Now look at this. Look at this. Now the glue that was in here, all right? I took out the ice tray because I'm cleaning the fridge, all right? This is the ice tray, right? This is the paper in here. This is the paper to advertise the ice that it makes, right? Now look at this. Look at this. I am ripping, and I'm trying to do my carefulest to rip and take this thing, and it's just glued in, glued in there. That's that customer service. That's what they think that's better for your customers. Don't give a rat's butt. Look at all that glue tape that they taped on there. Why? Are they afraid that somebody was going to steal that or something? They're going to steal the sign out of it? Are they afraid of the tray being stolen or the sign out of the tray being stolen? Oh my goodness, man. Ridiculous. Customer service and their thinking is garbage. Garbage. That's my opinion. Okay, just put the water. Plugged in. hooked up. Let's see if we can fit it in this. It is a tight fit. It is fitting. There it is. All right. I'm gonna check out my new fridge, guys. Check out my new fridge. Again, please mind the mess. Don't mind the mess. We're in the middle of trying to make it nicer. This is my new fridge. It's got a 3-door. Look at that. You can open the half door. Half door open. Or you can open the full. And this is a half and half. Half fridge, half freezer. I don't like the top half, bottom half ones. Side by side half. What's awesome about this one is it's a dual ice maker. It has a part here that I'm washing over here. And this makes the standard ice. And this one makes another ice, and it makes those big round ball ice. And that's the one that's here. Dual ice maker, and it made those round balls that they glued in this freaking thing on the bottom here. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that out, clean that out. So yeah, here's my new fridge, guys. A dual ice maker, a regular, big ball. Yeah. Got the water. So now I'm gonna have to order the filters because the filter goes in here and there's no filter. So I gotta go order some. I didn't want to buy it at the place I bought the fridge because they were expensive there, and I didn't like the customer service. So the best deal was at the place where I got this fridge. I reshopped around. The best deal was where I got this fridge, but the customer service sucks. So there's that. What that is, I don't know. Hopefully it's telling me that it doesn't have a filter. That's what that beeping is. And there's my new fridge, guys. Alright, peeps. This is the last of the update here. The fridge is in its place. I'm going to move this one out tomorrow. And if you're wondering what was wrong with that one, since we've had that one, the ice maker and water dispenser never worked. So it was the cold, fridge stayed cold and the freezer stayed frozen, but the dispensers never worked. So here we are. We got this one here. And this one is a display model. Regular price, it was like 22 something, 2,200 something. And we got it for like 12.21 or something like that. Don't quote me exactly, but we saved like 1,000 compared to for regular price and on the other stores. So when we shopped around, the place where we got this one from was the cheapest place that we could get it from. So I think we got a good deal now. The customer service sucks, but the product was the cheapest. Now when you're buying products like this, it'll have minor dings and stuff in it, and they'll tell you pretty much it's like a as is. You don't have no warranty on these appliances when you're buying it not regular price. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. You spend all that money and they don't want to give you no warranty. But it's all good. I got the truck and I carried it up myself, delivered it home myself. Did not pay them to deliver it. And you see what I had to do to get it inside and to put it in its place. I did not pay somebody to come and do it for me, for them to come and not do it, because trust me, I've paid for delivery and they just leave it at your front door. They don't do all that other stuff like they said they used to before COVID. So anyways, I don't need them. I don't need their help. I can do it myself. Now you can see the little dings and stuff. Yeah, it sucks. When I'm looking at it on, you can't really see it, but the camera is picking it up really good. Wow, camera is really picking it up good. And until I get the filter, until we get the filter in there, we won't be able to use the water and ice dispenser. So still using the old school ice trays until I get the filter, but it won't be long. I'm going to order it, and then we'll have regular ice and the fancy ice and the water dispenser. So this is our new fridge. Alright guys, thanks guys for watching my channel. If you stayed this long, I hope that you consider giving me a thumbs up. Maybe even consider subscribing to my channel, because I'm just starting to share content on my channel. And then it will make me consider continuing sharing content, because I know that you guys are interested in what I'm dishing. Alright? Alright, thanks guys.